Let's go.
Let's put tomorrow.
Leave.
Don't touch me.
You need to leave.
Don't touch me.
Okay, that's...
Where's the female officer? Female officer.
Don't touch me.
Let's go.
Because now, you can arrest me right now then. Because you know what? I know my fucking rights.
Hey.
What began as a denied flight at Tampa International Airport quickly escalated into a tense confrontation between a passenger, airline staff, and police. Bodycam footage captured every moment as the situation spiraled out of control. Here's what happened.
Was intoxicated. How could you put that on intoxicated? No, Nina, stop fighting with that woman.
He just said.
Right, but yes, that is what I wanted.
What you said? You said turn around because you're trying to hit me?
Right,
now you
that's
Calm
okay.
out.
Stop, you're going to make it worse. Stop.
So, they're not going to do business. No. Okay.
You just said that. I'm going in, right? I'm going in.
There you go.
You just said that. Is this for both of them?
Initially,
So what about
Y'all gotta leave the air side. Okay.
But he said we
You
gotta run the
got,
tapes.
hold
Hold on. You know what he said? He said we gonna run the tapes.
Okay.
And we gonna see. Wait, she try to hit me or kick me or something.
can we do
Okay,
that,
so
please?
this is
And
what
that's his word. And that's the supervisor's
Hey,
word.
guys.
Like,
Bro,
all right,
this
but babe.
y'all gotta leave.
Guys, you guys are rebooked for tomorrow.
Babe, I know my rights. Okay?
So I can't-
Listen to me.
Hey, guys,
said
they're
that
not
you're
going to
not-
let you
Can
fly
you listen
tonight.
to me,
Yeah, but it
please?
doesn't matter. They're not going to let you fly
Why
tonight.
are they not going to let me fly?
Because they're
I
not.
did nothing
He just said,
wrong, though.
I'm gonna call the cops.
Guys,
I'll run the
guys.
tape.
Hey.
I don't
What's your
care
name,
about
sir?
that.
Can't run the
Talk to
tape.
What's your
my
name?
sister? Chat.
What's your
Jason,
first name?
Jason.
Jason.
It's right here.
It doesn't matter what the tape showed. They're not going to let you fly tonight.
So why he had to tell me that?
Listen to me.
Why he had to say that
What is it?
and threaten me like, oh, I'm gonna run this
All right,
tape.
Chad, listen to me.
Listen to us.
Go ahead, I'm
We're
listening.
here now. You guys are
No, I
listen.
thought
You guys
it was
are.
my side.
It's not about size.
Nobody's said
You guys
that.
are rebooked for tomorrow. But
that's
but
not
you don't
fair.
want to
You
not.
know
So you
what?
don't. You're not
But
going to make
that's
gotta go
not
to back
fair.
to
You know,
work
I know my
tomorrow.
rights.
You're not gonna make it.
I know my rights.
This doesn't have anything to do
At
with
the end of the
rights.
day, yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Hey.
I could call. No, hang
You
up.
can call and complain if
You're
you
right.
want to.
It's
But
damn
this has
fucking right.
nothing.
And I'll give a ticket fight free. Shut up, Nina.
Okay. Guys, come on.
Them two people.
All right, I'm gonna come with you. We're gonna go. But
You guys are. Do you have your stuff for being rebooked for tomorrow? Is this your stuff for
This
tomorrow?
flight though, right
You
now.
can't get this flight.
You
They're
just
not.
told me you didn't let me.
They can't. They canceled it.
Do you see how they contradict themselves?
why
though?
didn't they let you fly?
Do you hear how they trying to contradict?
Here,
They
listen.
thought that I was
Don't
intoxicated.
Don't
No,
lose this.
they said that both of us was intoxicated.
I get it. Listen.
And then they're like, oh no, you get on, but she can't get on. Then they're like, because she tried to kick you.
Okay, listen.
They were like, oh, run the video.
We need to go. Okay. We're gonna.
Can I see the cameras though?
No.
For my-
Come on.
That's what he said.
All right, but I have freedom of right.
That's what he said though.
I have
You
freedom
guys.
of right.
You have to leave
That's
the
what he
airside.
All right,
said,
I'm gonna leave the airport, but can
That's
I
what he
have
said though.
Take this.
So I
for my
can't,
right? Can I have the
take his
camera
word
footage?
and be like,
I'm not
Can I
taking
have the
anybody's
camera
word.
footage?
You're not allowed to be here because you don't have a flight tonight
I
now.
have a flight
No,
Can
today.
I
you
have
don't.
the
You're
camera
canceled. You're
footage?
rebooked.
1734.
Listen, you're rebooked for tomorrow.
Can I have the camera footage?
Guys.
Trying to what? Because now you
right,
can
all right,
arrest me right now then. Because you know what? I know my fucking rights.
Hey.
Nobody's intoxicated.
Exactly.
I did
Like,
not
everybody.
touch.
He just said
nobody.
it. He just said it. He's like, yo, I could go. Then he's like, yo, she
Where's
trying
the
to me.
camera footage? Where?
Hey. You need to leave the airside or you're going to be arrested for
Yeah?
trespassing.
So show me the footage how I
How
shot
she
it.
gonna be arrested in trespassing if
So arrest
if
me.
she got the
Let's
booking?
go.
So arrest me.
Hold on. How she gonna get
arrest me.
arrested if she has the
Stop.
the boarding pass?
You, let's go now.
The boarding pass.
Let's go.
You just put in your
I
boarding
want
pass
to
is for
see
tomorrow.
the footage.
So let me get the boarding pass.
Listen. You are trespassed.
How am I trusting?
Listen
I
to
got
me.
a ticket.
Listen to me.
You put it in your pocket.
It's for tomorrow,
All right.
not now.
So how I'm
Leave
No,
the
it's for
airside.
today.
No, it's for
Okay,
tomorrow.
let's go. Let's go.
It's for tomorrow.
Leave.
Don't touch me.
You need to leave.
Don't touch me.
Okay, that's.
Where's the
Don't
female
touch me.
officer? Female officer.
Don't touch me.
Let's go.
Female.
Leave.
Can I get the boarding pass?
Yes, leave.
Goodbye.
How
You
many?
need to leave.
You need to leave
No,
too.
no, no,
You need to leave. Chad, look at me right now. Leave.
Can I get the boarding pass?
Turn
Yes,
around and
all
walk.
right.
We are going to walk with you, and you will get your boarding
Can I get the
passes.
boarding
I'll
pass?
take it now and we'll leave.
Okay. Let's go.
Thank you.
Okay, let's go.
They're all a bunch of lies, though.
No, I'm not taking
Leave.
anyone's side.
Chat, leave.
Hey,
They
please.
just say, oh,
Stop yelling.
watch the video, watch the tape. Oh, she tried to
Chat,
keep
I'm gonna smack the shit out of you in 2 seconds.
Well, don't do that, please. Is this all your stuff?
Oh, yeah,
Hey,
it
is this your stuff, guys?
It's my stuff. You need to go. I'm used to this. I'm working you out. I'm not. What's that?
There's one on the other side.
When we get across to the main terminal. When we get to the other side, buddy. Let's go. Come on. Stop. Stop playing games.
Bro, really gotta go. No.
You can fucking hold it, let's go. So, piss your pants. I'll take
Oh, you don't even just want to go. I want the other side.
Take a picture. I'll take a picture. Let's go. Do you not know how to play the game? Let's play. Because guess what? I know my fucking rights. You gotta pee?
So I get transported again, then I have to come back tomorrow. Does that make any sense?
Yeah, and you ain't gotta
if
pay
you-
a
if you-
fucking
if you
dollar.
want- So here's the thing. If you this way, guys. This way.
Do you still want the airline to the gate?
If we're gonna sit here and cause a disturbance,
There's
you
no disturbance.
there was.
But-
Let's go. Walk.
There wasn't disturbance to begin
Yeah, there
with.
was. She's screaming, causing a disturbance.
Not now because you
Okay,
came.
right, and
But before
because I
that-
came.
But before that, there was no
So
disturbance.
listen. So
They
when
said that
so when there's a disturbance
we
and
was
you're not
both highly intoxicated,
Listen.
but that I could board the flight, but she couldn't.
okay.
So how you gonna say
it doesn't matter?
We're both highly
but
intoxicated.
we got past that. So they called us. And
I know
you don't
because
have
I called you.
and you don't have a flight. So listen, bro.
I had a flight.
Yeah, but
seven-
they canceled it. Right here, this way, this way, this way, this way. So you're rebooked for tomorrow. You don't have any business over here tonight. So you can't be over here causing disturbances or be over here.
Nothing. I'm just trying to get on my flight.
Okay, so we want you to get on your flight.
And
That's
I'm
why
not
we're trying to
from
keep
here.
everything
I'm
calm, bro.
saying
We're trying to get you home. Right over here.
I didn't try to get me home. I just asked you to tell them.
We don't tell them
to run the
anything.
footage because that's what they told me. They were like,
Doesn't matter.
when the cops come, they're gonna run the footage.
Come
You're
over
gonna
here.
see that something happened, like that she tried to kick me when they were lying completely. Like,
If they decide they're not going to book you and rebook you, we don't have any
no,
control
they
over
already.
that.
But no, it's not that. It's just saying that.
Can you tell her, bro? Huh? We're trying to be real chill. No, can you tell her, come on?
Caution, do not enter. The doors are closing. Please wait for the next train. Caution, do not enter. The doors are closing. Please wait for the next train.
I'm going to tie
The
up.
doors are closing. Please wait for the next train.
Alex, I can't get to that phone right now. We're escorting these people over the other side.
Please wait for the
Maybe going
next
10
train.
minutes. I don't
You know what I
know.
know? You know what I know?
Attention, the doors
No, you shut up. Bitch. Yeah?
Tomorrow.
So what
I
paperwork
know
do
what
I
to
have
say.
that my flight is
I know
not
what to
tomorrow? What paperwork do I have that
Stop
my flight
yelling.
is
You're
tomorrow?
going to go to jail.
No. So take me to jail.
I don't want to.
Then I do so.
I don't
Do
want
it.
to. Stop.
Because you know what? My mouth is greater. And I know my rights. And I know what the is right. I didn't do done type shit at the end of the day. I really didn't.
But right now you
You're
are.
gonna be
Stop.
done.
Now
Up.
because
Stop.
y'all,
No,
you
I'm not
started
gonna
it.
stop.
We didn't
I'm
start
not
anything.
drunk.
Not you,
I'm not nothing.
Because they
You
said
need to.
we're gonna run
No,
the tape.
I told
You're
you.
intoxicated. It's
No,
called-
I'm not intoxicated.
That's what they said about me, and I was
Prove that
gonna
I'm
board the flight.
intoxicated.
Stop yelling.
Prove it.
Stop. Pick up your purse.
No, purse.
Okay.
Prove that. You
We're
know
just
why?
trying to get you on your flight tomorrow.
Yeah, I want my flight today.
But you don't have one now.
I do.
you don't.
And I can prove it that I
They
do.
canceled it, ma'am.
Yeah, why they cancel it? For what reason?
This reason.
For what? I was not like this. I sat there. He was on the phone. There was nothing wrong. Nothing.
Come on. Let's get on this. Please don't leave your purse. Come on. Let's get on the
There's
thing.
nothing wrong with me.
Okay. Get your purse.
No, you can't even look at me though. But again, if that
Ma'am,
was
get
the
your
case-
purse. I've been
I'll
looking
get-
at you the entire time. Get your
All right,
purse.
I'll get my purse right now. But you need to hear me.
I hear you.
There's cameras. There's footage.
If you want to make a complaint about Delta, you can call their
Oh, I
corporate and
will.
make it. Okay, that's
But you know
fine.
what? That's not fair. I got a daughter who's waiting for me tomorrow. I just got off the phone with ACS in Brooklyn. I can call them right now.
It doesn't change that they canceled your flight.
Right, but why? There's a reason why they
They
canceled.
said you were intoxicated.
Okay, what they said and what proof is.
It appears that you are intoxicated.
No, I'm not. So where's the camera footage?
There's no camera footage,
There
man.
has to be.
About you being
There's-
intoxicated, I
Yeah?
can tell you're
You
intoxicated.
want to bet?
Yes, I do
Because
want
that's
to
how
bet.
good. I can call right now.
Okay, pick your stuff
No,
up.
I
we
can call
leave.
right now.
You need to leave.
So where's the camera footage?
Ma'am, pick your
Where's
stuff
the
up.
camera footage?
Please wait for the next train.
This is nothing
Hey,
against. You're
hey,
doing.
this is
Listen,
the last time. We're gonna
you're
trespass.
doing your job.
and
You're
then
doing
we're
your
gonna
job. I get it.
Please
You're
pick your
doing
stuff
your-
up so we
Yeah,
can
I
get
take my
you
stuff
out
up.
of here so you can fly
No,
tomorrow.
I'm not getting out of here because at the end of the day, you're doing your job, and rightfully so. But as a right from human, I know there is camera. I want to see.
That doesn't have anything to do with.
Yes,
what-
it does because then
You-
how are they
you-
telling me I can't take a flight?
Get on the thing.
How are they telling me I can?
Get on the
No,
thing.
how are they telling me I can?
Come
Don't
on.
touch me.
Then go.
You can't touch me. You can't touch me.
Don't make it
I
my
dare
face.
you to touch me.
Don't make
No,
touch you.
Trina.
don't make him. He can't.
Trina.
He can't. He can't.
Please wait for the
What?
next train.
No.
We're about to depart. Please stand clear of the doors and hold handrails firmly
See,
at all
that's the
times.
fucking problem, shot, dumbass.
Attention, the doors
So where's
have
the
not
camera
closed
footage,
properly.
though?
Please be sure that you and your
Delta
belongings
says
are clear
we're
of
gonna run
the
the
doors.
footage
We
when
Yeah,
are about
that-
to depart. Please
that
stand
shit
clear of
right
the doors
now.
and hold the
That-
handrails
Do
firmly.
you know who I know?
They don't have
That's why I called it bluff. I said when they come, we can make it footage. And they said no. I was like, I called it bluff. I know what happened. Like I work for the airport. Thank you for what I'm saying. You can run the footage. That's why I asked.
But they're not gonna run no footage because that's the problem with the government. They done up. That's why I said arrest me then. Because I know my fucking rights. I didn't do nothing wrong. Nothing. I made it wrong. You know it. Exactly. So again, I fly all the time. My sister flies. That's not fair. That's really not fair.
So,
No, I get it. You're doing your job.
Get off the.
You're
Come on,
doing
get off
your
the
job,
train.
but you know what? That's not fair.
Come on.
No, you.
Get off the train.
You're doing your job. Nobody.
Listen, we're not. We don't want to arrest you. Come
So
on.
arrest me.
No,
I
we
don't give a
want to. Get off the.
arrest me. You know why? Because I got my right.
Come on, get off the train. Let's go.
Train for what?
the whole day?
No, he should go though, right? But he should go, right? Yes or no?
Everyone can go.
What?
Attention, the doors have not closed properly. Please be sure that you and your belongings are clear of the doors. We are about to depart.
Who the fuck is you?
Let's go.
We can't touch you technically because there's no
Hard ass.
We,
You're damn fucking right.
that's
You're
not the way it
damn
works
fucking
here.
right.
That's not the way it
And
works.
I didn't
We need a
do
female officer here.
No, we don't.
Hey,
Hey, leave.
you
Okay,
do.
hey, listen. You trespass.
Body cam.
Leave or
How am I
you're
trespassing?
going
I don't
to
fucking
jail. Leave
care.
or you're getting arrested.
So arrest
Trespass after warning.
So arrest me.
Okay.
I got a border pass.
You're under arrest.
How am I under arrest?
Put your hand behind your back.
made up your mind. What you
Put your hand behind your back.
There you go. Take that off. You don't need that. You're not going to need that in jail.
Chat, take my phone. Chat.
Yep.
Hold on, bro.
Stand back. Stand back.
I'm taking her phone. Relax.
You're
You can just go behind that.
115. You show me 1015.
Get her stuff.
Send one.
You want to go back over to the terminal or you want to go?
No, we'll go
I
straight
want to
here.
go home.
You're not going home now.
You got it.
Please get her ID.
I don't have ID.
You're flying without ID?
They let me pass with proof of what I needed as proof.
All right.
stuff. And you're arresting me for no reason.
We're arresting you for trespass after warning
How am I
and disorderly intoxication.
I'm not intoxicated.
Yes, you are.
Though. How?
Never drink.
Never drink. I had two.
Drink.
What are you talking about?
You're all bad with drinking.
No, do you know how many people drink?
Anyways,
Listen, I didn't walk past. You don't
you're acting
understand.
like an animal.
No, I'm not. I went to look at
Face when we were
I didn't spit in your
Not
face.
intentionally.
You're lying right
Not
now.
intentionally.
You're saying I spit in your face?
not charging you
On my
with it.
dead father, bro, I never spit in your face. You're a liar.
130.
Sweetheart, I spit in his face?
He said it wasn't intentional.
I never spit in nobody's face.
You still act like an animal.
No, because I want to go home to Brooklyn. I have my
130.
flight. You're a liar.
You got a new home.
You're lying. You're fucking lying. I never spit in nobody's face. I'm busy in that house. I need to board my flight.
115, 103 on his way to you. So the escape vehicle.
We're walking down to the PD.
You want her ID?
She said she doesn't have one.
My bag has everything in my bag.
Whether she's lying or not, let's try and pull her
I'm
up.
not lying.
I didn't say you were. I said if you are or not, we don't have it.
Leaving a bond. It means you at least get a night in jail. 3 hots and a cot. Great bologna sandwich.
We tried to get you to leave, man.
I was leaving.
No, you weren't.
Yes, I
It's all on video. You weren't leaving.
You know your rights.
You can do whatever you want. Okay. That's unfair.
Okay. I don't have any other information, so
Okay.
I'll just start.
Okay, ma'am, I'm gonna pass it on. Okay, so it's in the vehicle. What's your name?
In the end, the passenger was arrested after repeatedly refusing to leave the airport despite multiple warnings from officers. She was charged with trespassing, after warning, and disorderly intoxication.